Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I'm going to talk to you about Viral Profit App. Now this is by Glynn Kosky and is due to release on the 24th of March at 10 AM Eastern. Now this is a product that promises you free autopilot traffic and it pays them $250 every single day. So we're going to go into the product. We will come back to the sales page and I'll just point out a few things on the sales page you need to be aware of before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of products or services of these types of vendors. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, let's jump straight into the dashboard. Basically what this is doing is it's taking RSS feeds of various sites and copying their content onto your own website. So what you're actually going to build is this. If I just shoot straight to the campaigns, these are the types of sites that this is going to allow you to build. So we just publish this here and I just view this. What you're going to attempt to do is build this site here. Now you can see there's a very basic header here. There is this pop-up that comes up that you can put on your site to get leads. You can have a subscribe button here and then basically you're just taking other people's content and putting it on this site. This is all claiming that these are by Dan Cole. You're not supposed to do that. It's not his content to actually come along and take. You're supposed to give credit whenever you do this type of thing to the people that originally posted this content. So I just go ahead and have a look at this content here. This article is actually pasted on here with no real links back to the originator. But all of the existing hyperlinks within the article I notice are just going back to the original article's links. So we could do the same on this one. Let's have a look at this one, 5 print on demand t-shirts. Again, all these links, if I click on these links, they just come off the website straight away and over to the original links of the article. So this is going over to a YouTube channel and again it's taking them away from your actual channel. What they're hoping will happen is that people will come on in and start clicking through the various ads you're going to add to this site. And what the issue is all these links are pointing to other directions. If I just go ahead and have a look through this article, let's have a look at this image here. Let's see where this is being actually taken from, this article. So I just extend this out. I should be able to see the website that this is originally coming from. So there's this one here, this whole slated 5 original apps. And yeah, you've got all of the same. What they've done is they're taking an RSS feed off this wholesale TED.com. They're basically using all of their content. So basically you're just taking other people's content without giving them credit, which isn't really a thing. So it does obviously work. It does bring the content across, but it's not really a good thing to do because the idea is if you ever do this, you can't write by Donald Cole. You're supposed to write where the contents actually come from and give them actual credit for producing it. You can't just nick other people's content. So I just come back. The idea for making money off this is that you will have adverts like this share a sale and various adverts that you can put on here and they're hoping people come along and click on them. So that's really what you're going to do here. There's also a different type of page here, this regular page. Again, I'll publish this and we'll view it. This is a your money page and basically there's a wealthy affiliate ad up here. There's some plug-in adverts down here and there's some articles that again they're not really crediting the original people who do these articles. There's not much to these articles. Nothing on here is going to rank. This is actually a subdomain, so it's kind of problematic because nothing's going to rank. You have to actually share this link to somebody. Copying across people's content onto a website doesn't immediately make it rank because none of it's unique and Google knows that. Google's looking for unique content. It's not looking for spammy sites like this that are created just to download other people's content. You need to go ahead and do your own. So they're the kind of pages you're going to produce. What you have got here is a bunch of tutorials as usual. You've got a subdomain. So again, I did mention that this was a subdomain. So you have to create your own subdomain from their own site. So again, nothing's going to rank on here. It's a subdomain. You have the campaigns that I just showed you. You have the OTOs done for you section here. There is a couple of done for you sites on here. What's this one? The Moon. Let's see what this one is. View this site. Again, Coinbase up here. There is a crypto NFT adoption article here that people are going to come along to. Again, all of these different links are going to other places. They're not going to your own products, so you're going to lose people off this site straight away. Then you have the content here. Now this is where you actually build your RSS feeds to various sites. So if you wanted different sites on here, you just create new, you go ahead and put a content name in there, find your RSS link. They do show you how to do that, and then you can create content to put onto your site and update it. You have categories here where you can add categories to your site. This has got money, rich, and be successful. You have an ads place here where you can actually go ahead and build your own ads. So they had that wealthy affiliate one. You can go ahead and put your own image in here and then put the affiliate link in and build your own ads. You have this pop-up here, which you have to connect to your own autoresponder anyway. You have free traffic here. Now, one of the reasons I say that creating kind of subdomains with sites like this is that they just do not maintain them in the long run. Now, one way I know this is that I go through this on every Glynn Kosky review. This affiliate traffic lab is just isn't a way to get traffic. This is just another way to create incredibly spammy small videos out sales pages that aren't going to rank anywhere. But when you go to Viral Newsjacker, again, this is the same type of site as this, where you actually get news feeds coming into a site. It's the same, exactly the same idea. Coming along to Viral Newsjacker itself, and they don't even own the domain name anymore, which is a little bit problematic. So they're actually saying this is a free traffic source for you, and they don't even own the domain name. Now, that's the same reason why you don't go with these types of vendors when you're trying to build a business, because they'll just stop maintaining the site and then you've lost it forever. Your subdomain disappears. You have free traffic here. This is going to be their one pager with all these random links in that make absolutely no sense. And then you have the free traffic training here, which is again over to this triple traffic bots, another terrible product. So none of that is free traffic, I'm afraid. And on every single Glynn Kosky product, you have the same issue, that they allow you to create a page, but it's up to you to figure out how to get people over to it. None of this is going to create viral traffic. None of this is going to give you visitors that come across without you having to share a link. So if you haven't got an existing traffic source, these types of products are no good to you. What you need to do is figure out how to create traffic, whether that's through YouTube, whether it's through TikTok, whatever it may be. How can you create traffic over to various links that you have and then promote? So if we just jump back to the sales page itself, there is some anomalies with this sales page as usual with these types of vendors. You can't trust anything that is written on any of these sales pages, I'm afraid. Now when I come down to these testimonials, one thing I did find was these aren't genuine testimonials. The reason I know that is because I go over to this review of something called Affiliate Sites Pro on wiztech.net. And Mr. Brendan Mace in August 30th, 2021, it wouldn't be him. I'm absolutely blown away by what you do with affiliate sites. With just one click and a few seconds, I got my very own done for you affiliate review sites. And on this one here, which is on this sales page, I'm actually blown away what you can do with Viral Profit app. With just a few clicks and a few seconds, I made over 178. The free buyer traffic that's included is a great addition. So you think, well, that's very similar. Then I looked onto the second one. I reviewed this software the other day, and as a newbie, I was stunned. I come back here. I reviewed this software the other day, and as a newbie, I was stunned. And then Jason Fulton, again, it won't be him. If I come back here, I love done for you systems of Viral Profit app as everything rolled into one. Again, I'll come back, and I can leave this link in the description below so you can have a look at. I love done for you systems and affiliate sites as everything rolled into one. So basically what they've done is they copied and pasted these reviews and then they've stuck them into this sales page. The other thing, when you just do a quick reverse look up on these testimonials, these beta testers that are supposed to have made loads of money, basically none of these guys are real. It's all stock photos. So there's one there, there's one here, and there's one here. Now this sales page is against Warrior Plus's terms and conditions because they're not supposed to use fake testimonials. So I don't know how this is passed in their compliance department, but seriously it is. Backed and proven to work by countless beta testers all over the world. All completely made up, You can tell that nobody's ever actually used this to make money. It's just the same product over and over again from Glynn Kosky. I'm going to give this a 0 out of 10. I don't like the way they're lying to you on the sales page. And to be quite honest, the application won't even work itself. You'll spend a lot of time setting this up. And unless you've got an existing audience to share the link to, you're just not going to make any money. So guys, I wouldn't recommend this. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you want me to go to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. And I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. And we'll get you started today. Until next time, guys, take care.